You have maintained that the International Criminal Court has no jurisdiction here, but that you also reiterated that although you will not cooperate with them, you will not hinder them from conducting their investigation.
Right now, because of the technology that's available to all of us, it was so easy for them to go on Zoom, to go on a video call with all of these witnesses or probable witnesses who are here in the country, and we cannot stop them from doing that. Freedom of communication, I think, is paramount when it comes to this. But when it comes to them going into the country, kung gusto mo nila pumasok dito upang manghuhuli at magpasagawa ng warrant na kanila pong na-issue po siguro ng ICC pagdating ng panahon, kailangan ho itong dumaan sa ating court system. Ito po ay kinakailangan ng isang action to enforce a warrant, action to enforce a judgment. Kailangan po dumaan yan sa ating court system. Kaya hindi ho namin pakikialaman kasi yan po trabaho na ng Interpol kung talagang gusto nilang habulin yung tao na nasasaktal. Yung sabihin natin, nag-issue po na warrant of arrest ng ICC, gusto mong enforce ng Interpol dito, pero para ho ito ay matuloy at hindi ho magkaroon ng kasuhan, kinakailangan pumunta muna sila sa korte natin. Yun po ang aming paningin.